Alright, good evening and welcome to my channel. Now, I'm obsessed with shoes. You can probably figure that out from the videos that I have, but I'm also going to share my other obsession, which is jewellery, and specifically Swarovski jewellery. So I've got a lot, and I thought, you know what, let me just showcase in case anyone is interested, or if anyone just is bored and wants to have a look at sparkly things. So I think I've got 2, 5, 7, 8, oh shoot, okay, 10. I didn't realize I had maybe even 11 items to show you, so I'll try and go through it quickly. Yeah, we'll see how I go. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so not to waste your time, I've put on four items at the same time. I will start off with the earrings. The first lot, if you can see, oh, I'm already showing off the rings, okay. But if you can see the first lot, this one, that teardrop, absolutely love. That's my favorite style of earring, I think. And you can also see that idea as well, that drop kind of thing where you hook it from the back and then it comes through the bottom. I also have it in that second lot there, which is actually my third piercing, so I've left space in that middle one. Yeah, absolutely love that, and I hope you can see that on that side as well. And then, not to waste your time, that's 2. I have this lovely ring. So with my rings, I'm an earring and ring person, by the way, so don't be surprised when you just see, I think maybe I have one bracelet, and I have this ring. This is like, I love gaps in rings. I like weird things, I like interesting stuff, so this is an absolute love. I hope that picks up. And then this one as well, there's a bit of a yellow, like a yellow crystal in the middle. So that one, actually, I can quickly move it on. I usually can pair it with this one, but I also then switch it out and go with this one, if you can see, because that yellow from here is picked up from here, and it's like a matching kind of thing. So that's 5 items here. And this one, this ring, moving on, I also match it with my favorite ring. It might be tied second, oh, it might be tied first favorite item from Swarovski. There's a pair of earrings here that I absolutely love, but this ring is the weirdest looking contrapture, and it is my favorite thing. So I usually style with this because of that stone there, but this is my absolute favorite crazy thing. I don't know how to describe it, and I hope it focuses, but this is the type of ring. It's got different color stones everywhere. There we go, different color stones, and it's just absolutely fantastic. It goes with a lot of outfits, and I'll show you how it is. Yeah, this, look at it. I'm absolutely obsessed. I remember I walked in, it was actually, this sounds terrible, but it was my sister's birthday, and we walked into Swarovski together, and I've gone, if there's anything you want, I will buy it for you. This is your only time in your life I'm gonna do this for you. And then she's like, nah, I don't want anything. And I was like, okay, fine. So the first thing I saw was this, and I went straight to it. I have that kind of personality that if I see something that I like, I'll quickly bring out my Valentino tangos, because I just did a video before that. If I see something that I like, I am obsessed, absolutely obsessed. Shoes, jewelry, that kind of thing. Perfumes is another one as well. But yeah, I saw this and straight away I was like, I have to buy it. I don't care how much it was. It was a bit pricey, but I have worn this so many times. You think, oh, maybe this is quite a statement item. It don't matter, honey. I don't really do necklaces so much, or bracelets so much. I think I have that one. So I do earrings and I do rings, and this works with everything. So that's my first obsession. Actually, quick pause, I just wanted to show you the packagings for Swarovski in case you haven't seen. You've got some classic Swarovski blue ones, and I have this then fancy light pink one, and also in this one, and hopefully it opens up well. Every time I've tried to open it, it's fallen apart. So there you have my yellow ring that I've shown you already, and in here you have a pair of earrings that I'm going to show you soon. This is the way they are. Oh, focus please. Here, here, here. Okay, so that's in this one. I love the shapes of these and the colors of that. And then you have a standard one like this. yep, this is what's been happening. But anyway, you usually have that, and then that goes in there safely. And the back of this will have like a foam thingy that actually cushions, so when you close it doesn't bang around. So that's interesting. I thought that's really cool designs. Anyway, let's move on. Next up we have this lovely fun pair of earrings that do a double up situation, and if it's too much for you, you actually can just remove one and just put a different backstop, so it'll just be the simple one like this. But I absolutely love it like this. If you can see that detail, let me get closer to you there. These are absolutely stunning. Oh, I've gotten too close again. There we go. Absolutely stunning. I've put it in my first hole on one side and my second one here, just if it makes a difference for you. I don't think you'll find anything more more fancy and outgoing and fun like this. And just a side note, I love the new muse Bella Hadid. It's like, it works well. She's doing good stuff. You're doing good stuff, Swarovski, if you're watching this YouTube video. Absolutely love what's been happening, hence this entire collection that's happened in the last 2 years or something like that, maybe even less than that, who knows. But yeah, absolutely love this pair. Couldn't quite really demonstrate with the other earrings, so I'm gonna have to do one by one because there's a lot of them. Well, there's not a lot, they're too big to showcase in at the same time. Okay, next lot is a combination a bracelet, which I hope will focus. A lovely like crystal bracelet. That is never going to focus. Anyway, it'll probably do it when I stop trying. But this lovely crystal bracelet, and then this stunning pair of earrings that also has a bit of color. Is that, I don't know if you can see, each stone has a different color. It's a little bit similar to the one I just showed you before, the earrings, in terms of color color scheme. But yeah, that's this pair. Oh, it's really trying. Let's try the other ear. I don't know if that'll make a difference. Well, that's flipped. There we go. If you can see that, it's absolutely stunning, and I'm so sorry if I can't get it to focus well. But this is the pair of earrings that I bought from the outlet, like online outlet. Absolutely love it. It's nice and simple for me. Yeah, so if I've got, I will do it with an ear like this, just a simple stud on these other ones and skip a hole, and then just do this one. I prefer to do studs and then a dangle or a statement earring at the bottom, and I do the same on the other side. So love these, and love this bracelet thing as well. I don't know if you can see it now. There we go. And it's got like an adjuster thing over here, so you can actually make it smaller to fit your wrist, maybe around at this level. And I love that it's got that variety. Yeah. Okay, to finish, let me show off my equal favorite with this, but the most stunning earrings. Yeah, I hope you can see that. I absolutely love these. These are called the Millennia, or I think a lot of the items in the collection are called the Millennia items, but this is Millennia earrings. Oh, I love these. And there's a bigger pair that has the pink and the yellow in one go, and I want those for my birthday, even though they're sold out. Miracles do happen. And there's this pair, this smaller one, in a clear crystal as well. Those are also stunning, but the pink just got my heart. I'm really in the pink phase lately, but I absolutely love these. Stunning. And I think I've already worn these out at least like 5 times since I got them, because I couldn't stop myself. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this collection. I'm so sorry if the camera wasn't focusing well, but yeah, I think that's 10 items, 11 items from Swarovski Crystal, and that's my own personal collection, and I've just been doing the shopping myself, and I love them. If they want to reach out to me and do some, I'm also happy to do that. Yeah, absolutely love. So I just thought to come on here and rave. Yeah, and I'm just gonna keep going sideways so you can keep seeing these earrings. But yeah, thanks for your time, and catch you in the next video. Bye.